Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to transfer your photos from phone to laptop without any wires and also without decreasing any quality. So let's start. First of all, over here I am here in WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp and go to message yourself. Over here tap on this link on the bottom right and choose your photo as your document. I'll choose this random photo of mine and then send. You can see this is sent from my phone. So to get this on desktop, open your browser. Now to get this photo on your desktop, open your web.whatsapp.com. And now just scan this from your mobile phone. And you can see I am logged in on my WhatsApp on laptop. Over here you can see this is my photo which I recently sent from my mobile phone. In this way, we can transfer our photo from mobile to desktop in very simple way. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.